Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cynsational Locs, and I'm just coming to y'all with a quick video here. I am making some lock extensions. I have a client who has they have a top cut, they have hair at the top, shaved around the sides, and they want to have locks at the top. And so they need about 35 locks, and they did not want to go with my recommended hair. Any lock extensions that I am handcrafting, that I'm making, that you guys order from me, is going to be made with the Making Styles hair, which is 100% authentic, and you can dye it, and I'll show you guys that hair in a moment. But this hair is just from, your local beauty supply store, and I already had this conversation with them about the quality of the hair and what to expect and what they may or may not be able to do with this hair. And I just wanted to show you guys, when I was handling the hair, I realized that there was dye rubbing off on my hands, so that's why I had this glove on, and you guys can see all the dye that's coming off now here. This hair has been processed so many times, and normally what I do when I have lock extensions is that I will go ahead and make them, and then I will wash them, so that they are not as stiff when especially if I'm shipping those out or they're ready for install. With this, I'm afraid. I don't know what's gonna happen when I wash this hair. I don't know how it's gonna react. I don't know if they're gonna be able to lift this and dye it. I wouldn't recommend it, and I wouldn't recommend this hair at all. Just, you can see the packaging, all of the little stray hairs. It's not consistent. There's a lot of little pieces of hair that have been put together. And so now I'm just going to show you guys real fast. I just got my Making Styles hair in for another customer that I'm going to be handcrafting some of their locks. And I want to show you guys the difference. Let me see here. Hold on a moment. Let me take this glove off. First off, shout out to the packaging. I really like that. I think that's nice here. You think you're not getting much because of the way it's bundled up here, but it's packaged so well with such care, and it feels just already the feel of it. This feels like my loose natural hair. See how it is separated? Period. Consistency throughout. So this is good quality hair. I already know that this hair can be, it can be dyed, it can be curled, it can be, you can put heat to it and it's not gonna melt. I'm not so sure. Actually, let's find out. I wanna know what happens. Hold on. Yeah, I'm not sure if this was to catch fire or get caught in some heat. It might melt, or like plastic. My experience with this sort of hair is that it has little synthetic blends in it. It's not all 100% human hair, and it normally has that disclaimer on the package, but I've seen other reviews of similar hair like this and that Vivica A Fox hair. I'm just showing you guys what it looks like coming straight out in comparison. I don't know. I didn't even see that. You notice this color? This is supposed to be 1B. It doesn't say it has any color added in at all. It's supposed to just be 1B. And y'all know 1B is just off black. What is with that? What's that, burgundy or red? What in the... That's the synthetic blend. That's what that is. But like I said, I already had this conversation with my client and they have chosen to move forward with this hair. So I will continue to make those locks. The quality of the extension, the density and all will still be there, and hopefully they don't have any mishaps with the hair later on. But I can't guarantee it because I didn't recommend this hair. So I just wanted to come on. So I'm washing my lock extensions like I normally would. This is that hair that I told you guys about that I don't recommend, and look at how much it's bleeding. I did not dye this hair. This is straight out of the pack after the lock extensions have been created. It was bleeding on my hand, and as suspected, it's just bleeding all into the water. So I don't know, I don't know really how this is gonna react when we're done, but I'll come back to y'all. Quick video. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel and you have that notification bell hit so you don't miss any of my uploads, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.